Come on. Move over. Thank you. Popo man is everywhere. Everywhere, I'm gonna swear. She said she liked my bike. Huh? It was just a cruising, doing the walking thing. Now this is my first really like commute and whatever since we got the Fairings all put on. Did a wonderful live for it. Got, geez, a few subscribers, some participation, lots of lovely people joined in, and I got these fairings put on. Now I'm able to ride my bike and have it looking good. And you know, I got to put a for sale sign on it. It sucks, but I'm pretty sure that's what I got to do. And yeah, just watching people behind me. Got to focus on traffic when you're out here, more so than your motovlog. People just can't do the speed limit. Either way, I'm complaining if they're slow, I'm complaining if they're fast. I'm just a complainer out here on the road. Are you a complainer? Some days I do. Most days, be honest. I just don't get it, you know? One day I'll figure out how to be chill in traffic with my attitude, my attitude. Hope we're still doing good on the freeway. Don't come out. Warrior. That was the Tom Hardy. I cannot remember his name for nothing, man. All right, you got it. You don't see me? Fucking jackass. That's how they are. My eye is dry. Ramp it up and make it sound good in the tunnel once in a while. It's been a while, so I usually don't do that. Yeah, usually don't. Do it all the time. I've done it a lot. That's what I meant to say. I don't need to do it all the time. Going to chill mode. Yeah, you get the RPMs going up too much, and that's something to your blood. That's something to your nervous system and your brain and your ego. They all start coinciding with each other, saying, "Hey, hey, 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 hey!" Either stop that or give it some more hell. Can't afford to do that now. I just haven't rode it for so long. You gotta give it a little fun. What is today, Tuesday? Tuesday the 25th, maybe? Yeah. Cooled off a little bit. Plenty good to get home in. Help me, Rhonda, help me, Rhonda, help me, and yeah, get out of my heart, help. Tailgaters love to tailgate, man, until the brakes get hit. Hey, here we go now. much better. Let's see what we got. Excellent fun ride home. Thank you, Mr. R1. Mrs. R1. Yeah. Woo-hoo. She was hot. Bye-bye.